It is very often we suffer from lower back pain. There are several reasons for this complex symptom. Among those, one of the very common reason is hamstring tightness. Many studies on flexibility tend to focus on hamstring because it is often tight and relatively easy to stretch them. So in this video I am going to discuss regarding the best way to stretch your hamstring muscles and its benefits. So hello everyone, I am Devajyoti, physical therapist at Peak Performance Sports Rehab, and you are watching TGS Fitness and Rehab. If you are watching this video for the first time, then click the subscribe button to follow this channel. And don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified for the upcoming videos. So now let me discuss about what is hamstring. Hamstring is a group of muscles
situated at the back of our thigh, which is made up of three different muscles, that is semitendinosus, beneath that semimembranosus muscle, and on the lateral side bicep femoris muscle.
Hamstring is also a bi-joint muscle.
On its origin, it crosses hip joint, and before its insertion, it crosses the knee joint.
So it's acting on
Flexing the knee and extending the hip as well. It also helps in tilting the pelvis posteriorly.
so stiff and tight hamstring leads to rotating and tilting the pelvis posteriorly. That can cause flattening of lumbar arch, which is putting extra pressure over lumbar and sacroiliac joints, which comprise our lower back. And due to this postural hazard, other joints of our body also tends to suffer due to a biomechanical hazard. So hamstring stretch is necessary as a part of cool down exercise to resolve this postural hazard. So as I told you earlier, hamstring comprises of three group of muscles: bicep femoris on the lateral part and semitendinosus and semimembranosus on the medial part. So hamstring stretch comprises of three variations to target each of this group of muscles separately.
So the first variation is to target the hamstring as a whole. For this, we have to tie a bed sheet or a static band around the ball of our toes and pull the leg straight up using the both of our hands. Keep on mind, our legs should be relaxed and knee should be fully straight, and we should feel the stretch pain over the back of our thigh and hold it for 20 to 30 seconds. Our next variation is to target the posterior medial part of the thigh. Here we pull the leg outward and upward using the hands and feel the stretch pain over the inner part of the thigh. Keep on mind, our opposite shoulder should not roll out of the ground. So our last variation is to target the posterior lateral part of the thigh. Here we pull the leg inward and upward using opposite side hand and feel the stretch over the outer part of the thigh. Keep on mind, our same side shoulder should not roll out of the ground.
So there are several more variations also for the hamstring stretch in sitting and standing postures. But let me tell you, this form of hamstring stretch is much reliable and safe as well, because in this we can rest our back over the floor and we can stabilize it also. So there is no chance at all to hurt your back during the hamstring stretch. So studies generally shows even a simple stretch is beneficial to improve the flexibility, although results only last for a few minutes. So there is a takeaway note, that is, exercise must be done for longer period of time to achieve long-term results. So rather improving the flexibility and releasing the tension from the joints, stretching also helps in improving the blood circulation throughout the body, and it also helps in injury prevention. It also boosts our energies by releasing the endorphins from the brain and so on. So that's all for this video. Please comment your queries and suggestions in the comment box down there below.
I will demonstrate some easy and essential breathing exercises for warm up in the upcoming video. So stay tuned.
If you find this video beneficial for you, please hit the like button and share this video with your friends and community. And don't forget to subscribe this channel if you are still not, and hit the bell icon to get notified for the upcoming videos.